Well, it's another heckin' morning, son. We're out here about to do some goose hunting. Pops is gonna meet up with me. I don't know if I'd be, almost late. I'm almost late. But I'm here at KT. I picked up some breakfast, hot Sammys, and donuts. Yeah, we'll meet up with Pops. Should be a good day, maybe. I have no idea. And Charlie's gonna be there as well, so stay tuned. There's Pops right there. There's the sunrise. Ducks all over. We get to the spot, and just down, right to the left of our blind, there's a lot of geese. We're gonna wait it out until shooting time. We're gonna walk down there, and we're gonna try jump shooting them. And there's a lot of mallards everywhere. So I'm gonna put this camera down. We got like another 10 or so minutes. Pops and I are gonna enjoy this. Dude, we could have nailed him. Alright. They're running. Of course they're going that way. I thought I maybe be able to cut them off. Maybe one will swing back. I could have shot him with a 50 cal. They're right on the deck. We could probably shoot them. Shoot him? Yeah. On the other side. Oh! Oh, they were pretty close with my there. Nice. Anyways, yesterday he said, oh, right in us, right in it. See him? Oh yeah. Stay. Let's just shoot him. All right. Ready? Yep. Are you kidding me? No! No! That was bad. Yeah. That was bad. He about ripped my arm. So low. We should. Now. Yeah, you did. I don't know how my shooting is. What's going on, dude? Oh, God. He broke a spot for you. I'm not sure why my shooting's so bad, but I'm gonna have to change something around. I should have had that first one, dude. That's why I didn't even. I thought, oh, you got him. I'll take the back two. Bam, bam. Bam! So stupid. If they were hens or if they were something else. Yeah. Probably. Is they high? No. Oh, they flared.
Oh, man. I knew as soon as I let him go. Stay. Oh, yeah.
You hear the woodies? Are they close enough, you think?
Ready?
Are they close?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. Oh, I hit him. I got 3. They're all wounded though.
Yep. Oh crap, the other one's taken off.
Crap.
The one, both of them two flew out.
Big flying.
One's gonna fly. Go, Charlie. Go the other way. Go this way. Go. Get him. Go get him.
Is he?
Yeah, he's right there. The other two flew away.
Oh, they flew off?
Yeah.
What? Get him, Charlie! Oh my gosh. Get him, Char! Touch him up! Oh. Charlie! Oh. Stuff's broken. Charlie, come here. Charlie, come! Charlie, come! Charlie! Oh, I could have shot him. There's so many. Charlie, come! Oh my gosh! Come, Charlie! Ah! Oh my God. You're broke. Reef trick. Oh my God. There he goes, walking off with his 2 honkers, and I got one. I'll show you guys the pile picture, I'll put it in the video. But that was our day. It was pretty eventful, a lot of geese. Terrible shooting on my part, honestly. I move out of Papa's way. I hit 3 geese. I went 3 for 3, and I didn't see any of it, but Pops told me I hit the one. That one went down. I thought dead, completely. And the second one that I hit, that one dropped, and I thought that one was dead. And the third one I hit in the back, but I thought, you know, it might be wounded downstream. Could finish that one off easy, but then he said one got up, and I was figuring it was the second one that I might have had, but it wasn't. It was, that flew away, and the other one just started swimming off. But yeah, that was our day. It's pretty good. Not good. Hopefully we get another couple more Honk Daddy videos coming up soon. I'll be going next week and all that goodness. But Cody and I might hit the river, hit up couple Honk Daddies, and hopefully we get a couple more honkers before this season ends. Anyway, see you guys in the next episode. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and